Okay. Well, this is the book that I'm coloring in today. Beautiful birds, color by number, Sachin, Sachdeva. This is the back. And I attached from another book, but it has the same color and layout. So if I wanted to open like this, I could just look over here. Same colors for this book as for another book from Sachin, Sachdeva. All right, and then I have my markers here that are in this little plastic makeup holder, and they are arranged by the color numbers here. So starts with dark brown, just like goes through there. In the back, I have one of the pink ones out. Got the rest of the colors all lined up there in the black on the end. So that kind of works out nicely for my colors. I was currently using this pink. So set the rest down here. And since I knew that I was using the pink, I had kind of closed my book a little bit just to go through all the number 16s on here. Using two types of markers. Both water-based, the Staedtler Tri-Plus color. And then my other marker is just the Stabilo 68s. I had a couple of sets of these. One I got for a Christmas gift last year, well, the year before last for my daughter, and I had some that I had bought. The rest of them are here. I do have more laying around in other places. Okay, so just gonna continue to color. I'm just working on the number 16s. And hopefully you can see everything. Oh, this is a book I just finished reading on the Kindle Scribe, Piranesi. However, that's a whole nother story there. Just set that to the side. All right. You can see everything here. So I'm working on number 16s. And that is, the number 16 is a hot pink. Although this doesn't show up right away as hot pink. It's the closest thing I had to it. And that's why I have it. Hope everyone's doing fine. And I just sometimes color just for peace of mind of coloring. I enjoy color by number books because I don't have to think about what colors to do what. I just follow instructions. And that's it. And I've been coloring this page on and off for a few days. Life is always lifing, so I try to get to it when I can, when I think about it. I also read, and from time to time I like to draw little abstract pictures. I'm not a skilled artist, but I do like to draw what I like. I'll show you that sometime too. Hope the TV in the other room is not too distracting. I can never get a completely quiet room to work in. It's okay. My husband's just in the other room watching football. So, just looking for all number 16s here. With these water-based markers, I tend to like the colors, use them for coloring small spaces. This book has mostly small spaces. And just use a little circular movement that kind of cuts back on the streaks in it a lot, although if it streaks, it's okay. Let's see, 16. Today is, right now it's a Sunday afternoon. And just chilling a little bit. Later I'll get up and maybe fix some food or prepare a lunch for work tomorrow. I really like this little book. I think I got this book last year. I don't buy as many coloring books as I used to, which is good because I have enough to color in. I also do digital coloring in the Pigment app. You know, that's a different type of enjoyment. Looking for 16s. Okay, got some down here. I'll show you that sometimes. In the Pigment app, you can color like this, or you can color by just, tapping it. And I used to color like this in the Pigment app, but I like to do like mandalas and stuff like that in that. And basically when I do a mandala, I like to do it in just 2 colors. So I start basically just doing a tap. And I like that too. Like I say, it's just a different type of enjoyment. Sorry, I'm sniffling a lot. Just keep coming down with little minor sniffles and colds. I work in a school. I am what they call a paraprofessional, which is a teacher's assistant in a school. I'm in a kindergarten class, so constantly exposed to sneezing and sniffling children. I do wear a mask most of the time. However, still happens. Little children sometimes haven't learned the etiquette of how to turn your head when you cough, or cough in your sleeve, or whatever. When you're sitting down with them on their level, they get hit a few times. It happens. also work in a hospital part-time as a mammogram tech, which is what I went to school for, an X-ray tech, and then I started doing mammograms some years ago. I actually think I get more exposure to illness as far as colds and stuff at the school than I do doing that. I was mainly a mammogram tech for years. Well, really started off as being an X-ray tech for years, and I got my mammo license in the 90s, which is just a license or a certificate you can get from a little taking a different state exam, and now it also requires some additional training. Something advancement off being an X-ray tech. And I did that for many years. Like I said, I still do it part-time. Being a teacher's aide is something new to me. I just started this past August. And it's new, serving a different group of people. I like it. It has its challenges for sure, but I like it. It's okay. Yeah, I think I did all the 16s. I thought I finished the 17s, but I didn't. I see. Let me make sure I get the right one. This was this one I used for 17. I like both of these markers. Like I said, they both water-based. But this one, the Stedler Trike Plus, it's sort of like a triangular shape, and it actually feels a little better in your hand than the Stabilo 68, at least for me. I had these markers. I had this set of markers for years. Hadn't been using them, but then just decided to pull them out. Probably at least maybe 3 or 4 years better. I don't know. And I think that completed the 17s. All right. So which one do I want to do next? I've seen a few 15s. Yeah, I did some 15s, but I see a few more. There. All right, so I'll do the 15s, which I can kind of go by this, but I can go back to my color chart too. 15 is magenta, but I use whatever I have numbered here. I think this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I missed something. 15, I may have messed up my colors a little bit. 15 is before the hot pink. But let me go back. Okay, lavender. I'm thinking this must be, yeah, this is what I use for 15. I may have had it out in number order, but this is the same color. So let's just go with that. I'll readjust them later, but I think it's the same. Sometimes when they wet, they look a little different, look a little darker. Maybe. No, never. I tried never to get upset with my coloring because that's not why I do it. I do it for just to relax and just for comfort. So whatever it is, it is. But I do like to try to do it neatly. But if it doesn't come out that way, a little out of the lines here or there, that's okay. Let's see another one here. Stuff all on. What is this piece of plastic? All right. Set all my 15s. Oh no, here's another one. And I hope while you're watching this, you're relaxed or doing something relaxing too, like coloring or drawing or crocheting or whatever it is you like to do in your spare time. Or not even spare time. I say this should be something that's also in your dedicated time. We always put the things that we enjoy and say, oh, this is a little craft or hobby that I do. Oh, I just do it from time to time. I think it should get some special time, some allocated time. Some time when you just devote to that. And there's nothing wrong with that. All right, so no, we still got another 15. Every time I think I may have gotten them all, I didn't. All right. Okay. All right, so did I get all the 15s? I think I did. All right. So now it should be mostly 8 and 1. Oh, here's one more 15. All right, so I think got all the 15s. And I think I'm gonna stop this video right here. And then I will finish everything a little later. But it has been a pleasure to spend some time coloring, coloring with you. And coloring for comfort. Well, until next time, you have a great day and find ways to comfort yourself and be peaceful. Bye-bye.